Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we are going to take a look at ENS, which is the ticker for Ethereum Name Services. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the link section below I will pin, in the comment section I will pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date with our premium signals, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about the services that we provide. So ENS is one of, if not the top gainer so far of 2024. Looking here at the weekly chart, something like 160, 180, nearly 190% up from the yearly open. Now, interesting to note on this weekly chart is that we're actually yet to break out of this range, going back to the start of 2022. We've kind of got, and I'll show you in a minute, like a range within a range. Now, the reason this has moved so well again this week, we actually had some success trading this in the premium group, some two massive trades, like I think right at the first couple of weeks of the year. But we've had another strong move this week, up like probably about 30% this week to the highs, more than 40%. It's been announced that ENS has partnered with GoDaddy, who are a domain name registration services, where you can now link your ENS address with a domain. So that's the reason we've seen a strong performance this week. But as I said, we've actually not broken out of this weekly range. So $28 is big resistance here. We've actually got a really interesting level down here at $10. Obviously quite a psychological level, but we can see a number of times on the weekly how it's acted as support and resistance for the second half of 2023, just kind of chopping in this range between $7 and $10. So any move back down to this area is obviously a solid buy for me, but just with the strength of the market at the moment, I'm really wouldn't like to say, or I don't think there's much of a chance that we see like a 50% sell-off anytime soon. Of course it's possible, but it doesn't seem probable. So what I am more interested in looking at for this is if we start to see a weekly close above $28, you could look to take a swing trade. We've kind of got a pretty clear path above that to $37. We can see how after this breakdown, there's a number of weekly supports here towards the end of 2021. So the old bull market highs really, but that was the support. Lost that all in a weekly candle and have been trading under $28 ever since. So very little resistance after $28. So, be eyeing something like this. Break 28, move to 37. But of course, we start to accept back below 28. You can cut and it kind of becomes invalidated. Looking at the daily chart for an area that I'm more interested in a pullback, because as I said, $10 for now seems quite some way away, but a little bit closer I'm interested in this area here, which is a daily order block untested, $14 down to $12, so still quite a wide DCA range if you were to take a long-term position here, and still quite a way away as well. But this lines up for a number of reasons for me. So obviously we've got the order block, daily fair value gap as well down to here, but we can see that if we was to draw the fib levels from the lows, from the all-time lows really, which was June 2000, equal lows really here. So let's say from October down at mid $6 range up to the recent highs at 27.50, we can see that this daily order block lines up pretty much exactly with the 618 fib level. So this for me is a really solid area, but also it looks like the time this was to come down to here, a very good chance that this yellow line would meet with that as well, which is the EMA 200 on the daily. So if we imagine this kind of keeps coming up to meet it, it will do something like that. So any move from ENS down to this level here, $14.60, something like that, looks to me like a really solid level to take a long-term position. Obviously from here you'd look to be targeting those highs again at $28, which is a 100% move if we get it. And of course you'd still be eyeing the flip of $28 from there to target $37 in the medium to long term for ENS. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're holding ENS, what your thoughts of it are as a long-term project. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.